Hi y'all, welcome back to Cooking McGee Style. We're gonna do something I recently saw somewhere. Brought back some memories. I grew up in Girl Scouts. My mom actually kept me in Girl Scouts until I was 15. Like, yeah, talk about cruel. Okay, but anyway, we used to make pizza with corn tortillas all the time. And we actually did that for one of my kids' birthday parties. All the kids got to create their own pizzas and cook it, and then they got to eat the one they made. When we did the kids' birthday party with just flour tortillas, and I just put like an assortment of toppings and let them make their own. They loved it. I cannot promise that gummy worms and chocolate chips or stuff like that were not involved. So I plead the fifth on that one. But then I was looking at this video and they were doing like a stuffed crust. I said corn tortilla, flour tortilla. And then I started researching and I realized, my God, I am old. Or stuffed crust pizza, period, was not around when I was a kid. I was looking into it. Don't quote me on the dates, and I'm not even gonna try to say the names. Apparently, there was a guy from Brooklyn who invented stuffed crust pizza, 1986, I believe. Okay, I was like 10 or something like that. But anyway, and then he got patented. Cool. And then he went to all these chains, the pizza chains, and everybody turned him down. Pizza Hut looked at him and they had they did a review and this and that, and they turned him down. And then in 1995, Pizza Hut came out with stuffed crust pizza. Okay. Anyway, the guy from Brooklyn sued Pizza Hut for $1 billion, which good for you, dude. That was cool, I guess. That's probably why it cost so much. No, I'm kidding. Okay, let's do this. It's basically the way I grew up making pizza with just what we have. So tortillas, flour tortillas, string cheese, pepperoni. I got some jalapeno, I've got cheese, I've got marinara sauce, and I've got mushrooms because I like mushrooms. Okay, let's go. I need to let that cool a little bit. Oh, that cheesy goodness. Tastes just like pizza. I like a lot of marinara. That's delicious. Take that, Girl Scouts.